Hey guys, just a quick look unboxing review at this triple pack of these double USB-A type wall chargers. Could they be good as a stocking stuffer, and do they charge your devices really well? We'll find out. I'm not sure about you, but this is extremely satisfying. There's no going back now. All right, just a peek at what's in store. Imagine you pull this out and it's a baseball bat. It's like, how did that fit in there? And that's my joke of the day. Please like and subscribe if that was all you needed to make your day fantastic. And I guarantee I won't get one like or subscribe from that. But you know what? The fact that you're still here means the world to me, and you probably want me to get on with it. So let's do it. So I made up for time by dumping them out. And even this company has best wishes for you, the person watching. Did you remember to bring out the trash? Is the oven still on? Remember that you're watching YouTube, and at any moment you need to be in your world and jump right to things. Now let's get back to being immersed. You have quality certification, which I really don't think that that is any certification that is accredited. It's nice that they wrap these because you don't want them dinged in the process of sending or whatnot. And they look fairly cheap. You can always tell if a device is cheap by kind of looking in the canal of the USB-A port. Just a lot of cheap plastic these days being made in these things, but they look okay. Now these are good. Let's say you had 3 cousins and you wanted to put some chargers in each one of their Christmas stockings. These are a great gift to just toss in, and people can charge as they go. Now, people don't take the time to mention this, at least in any videos I've seen, and I don't watch very much YouTube. So let me know in the comments below if you have seen people mentioning this part. However, I absolutely love when companies make the tips in North America. I forget the NEMA standard for these, but it's reversible, just like Lightning and USB-C. That means if this is the outlet, let's just pretend that this is the outlet, it will go in this way and it will go in this way. However, outlets in Canada and USA normally have a bigger one on one side and a smaller one. So these ones are great because you don't have to, oh, which way is it? Which way is it? Some countries might not be bothered by this minor annoyance, but maybe it's not really minor, because if you think about it, Apple spent a lot of money and got a lot of good press to come up with Lightning before their 30-pin connector. Also, USB-C, it probably wouldn't have existed if Lightning didn't come out a few years before. Reversible cables are awesome. Reversible plugs, even better. So let's hook these up. Let's see if I can get a charge on my phone, and we'll see how they are. So this guy here, I was able to hook up to an iPhone 8 and charge it concurrently with an Android phone I have without issues. So overall, they work. I can't attest to longevity and how long they last, but they are a good travel stocking stuffer type of a situation where it's awesome that you get a couple different colors, and you may know that this one's for home, office, and your emergency car, glove box, or whatnot. Pretty cool offering, worth checking out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.